Alright guys, so fortunately this banshee I was riding and ended up locking up on me, so let's tear into it and see what we find. Alright, I got the gas tank off and the carburetors, and actually got this thing to spin over. Just checking the spark plugs out. And, here you go. So the clutch side one looks a little lean. Suspecting the crank seal went bad. So I did get it to free up somewhat. So it's not totally seized up, so that's good. It'll be easier to take apart. But looks like the right side piston's pretty melted. Not looking good. Alright, let's see about taking these intakes off. Ooh, buddy, look at that piston right there. Looks like it's got something that was going up and down on it.